Oh guys, just got off of work and yeah, we're doing a POV of the car, so I'm gonna start up the car real quick. So yeah. Guys, that was a cool start on the car. Do the POV now, so yeah. Listen to the race mode real quick. I've made one POV video in the past. I do plan on posting more content because I want to get more videos out for y'all. And well, that's not good. I'm not gonna lie, I got this car used for a good deal. You know, it's not new. It's a 2017 Golf 4. I was looking at some GTIs. GTIs are nice. I would have been happy. I would have been very happy the GTI, but I looked at this R, I looked at the condition for it being used and stuff, and it's just like, I couldn't beat it, you know? But yeah, I think this is my second video on the channel. I do plan on getting a downpipe tune in the future for sure, and later on, like, probably like an exhaust too, I think would be nice on this car. Appearance wise, I think I want to get like white wheels for sure. White wheels, a white front loop, and side skirts I think would look nice on this car. Or like black wheels I think would look nice, and black back fender I think, or like a black front lip and black side skirts would look nice on this car. Stuff like that I want to do to this car. You know, this car is fully stock, haven't done anything to it, but the first things that I do plan on doing again is cool air intake first, downpipe, and then tune. I think that would make the most difference on this car right now. And it's like at night you can't really see the cars, so it's just like kind of hard, you know. For this channel, I do plan on posting more videos like this in the future. Not just me from leaving work, like, you know, going to work, going to dinner, you know, stuff like that. And I do plan on posting more on my other socials, so if you guys want to follow me, the socials will be in the description. I just started this YouTube thing, so I hope you guys can bear with me. That's a WRX, I think. Yeah. That could also. That was a low pull right there. But yeah, that was a nice WRX. Definitely a nice car. A lot of people mod that car, I've seen. Oh yeah, that's nice. He definitely put an exhaust or something. You hear that? Small pull right there again. This car is really fun to drive for sure. It's just when I make these, like when I do these pulls, it does eat up the gas, and this car does take premium, unfortunately, which all cars like this do. But yeah, it's definitely, if you're gonna drive a car like this, you're gonna have to afford the gas, which, just saying, like, gas prices right now are, it's like definitely like much different from before. And yeah, like I said, I do plan on consistently making videos, so I would appreciate it if you guys like show support to the channel and my other socials, because I do plan on making more content. Is definitely really fun, and this car is stock. Like, it's not even, I haven't even done anything to it yet, and I'm really enjoying this car. I think that's gonna wrap up this video, so I'll catch you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching.